Hi, this is Iris the Vampiress. I just got a Build-A-Bear Pete's Dragon Elliot plush in the mail today. I ordered him on buildabear.com or their online website. And he was around $40. But the only reason that there was a price increase is because of this feature. Yep, mine came with the sound chip. So he can growl, he can roar, just like a real dragon. And he's very soft. He's got rather velvety like wings. Nice wingspan, by the way. And he's very soft, very detailed. Yeah. Nice long tail. As you can see, the texture is very silky smooth. Definitely worth the purchase. I'm glad I got him, and I'm glad his sound chip was still an available option. But yeah. Not sure if he's still available with the sound chip at Build-A-Bear store itself, because I don't have a Build-A-Bear locally in my area. So, yeah. Elliot and I are going to be great friends. And as you can see, he's got rather glass-looking eyes. Very detailed facial expression. Yeah. And of course, the Build-A-Bear paw sign. But yeah, I just thought I'd share with you my little review. Yeah. Hey, Elliot. See, he makes different sounds, but this is a second option. The first option is to have it without the sound chip. Depends on your preference. But yeah, alright, well, thanks for watching.